we don't bus the daycares. We used to way back when I was in school, but not anymore. Just too much reliability.
I mean, I don't care about that. I don't have the people to do it. If I had the people to do it, I would bus the daycare. This is what a lot of our routes look like.
Oh!
That's why I said.
Yeah, you cannot have an 84 passenger pusher.
You could have just been in the body shop a lot.
Yes.
I mean, this is right around the corner from the bus lot. But this is our new middle school. Back over there that we're going to go to.
Okay.
That's somebody's house that they're building. Oh, look at that. Carpenter Creek sized out to build this on the software. There's two more out there, but that's the monster one. Wow. I was like, is Beyonce moving to Bellbrook?
Yeah. Oh, access E9.
That's it. So this is our fancy middle school that they built a couple of years ago. Down this road anyways. Just locals. Your friendly slack-jawed inner city yokels come in here. Yeah, I haven't built that on the map. I know that the road goes all the way through, but we don't have any students back there yet.
Okay.
I imagine those people will probably have kids with the house the size of the White House. So yeah, these are the terrifying roads that I was kind of talking about, and there's one out here that's actually way steeper graded than this. Like it's way the grade down into the culverts is worse.
Okay.
So, not a fan of it.
Yeah, we only have a few like that. Most of ours are pretty much like a road like this. Where you can actually fit two cars comfortably.
Yeah, like this is not bad. Like this is completely comfortable to drive on, but once you get into those little routes like that, I don't think it's Trump like this is Trump country. So like this is heavily Trump country.
We're a pretty big mix.
We're not here. Actually, this is only my second or third. This is my third time driving one of my buses. I don't drive it. I haven't driven one of my transits.
What?
Haven't had time. I drove 5 in Beaver Creek when it was at the rodeo.
Oh, okay.
But that's the only time I've driven that bus. That's the bus I got Rookie of the Year on, was bus 5.
You gotta keep that bus forever then.
No, I want to buy 15 with the gray floor. But I don't know that I will. I would like to.
Yeah, those would make a school district and then some nice buses if they just put the seats, the seat phones in.
Yeah, they'll sell. I have no doubt about that.
You're gonna do the online auction, the gov deals?
Yeah. 5. This is the SEC/preschool, so that's the district office. So I hide behind all them, and then the high school And then we have Stephen Bell Elementary. I'm trying to think. No, this is grades 4 and 5. Stephen Bell's 1 through 3. So they kind of move out of the center of town. And then we own another building that's actually like 1900 or 1901 built. We lease that to a special needs academy. And that building's actually really cool. I wish we still used it. It was our high school a long time ago.
Okay.
And then our wonderful stadium.
Very nice stadium.
It is a very nice stadium. Not very big, but
No.
so then when they come in every day, they come in through the lot and they drive behind the building, down the alley. So,
Oh, okay.
it reminds you to turn off your bus lights. So then they come back through here and they park. Andrew Grassi is obsessed with that alley. I don't understand it.
Oh, really?
He's like, isn't that so cool? They drive through that alley. I'm like, sure. A lot of them don't put it in neutral. They'll let it roll and they'll hit the stop block. and
Oh,
bounce it.
no.
Every
Hey guys, what's up? So real quick, we're going to do a walk around of the CE that we just rode on earlier in the video. So this is, I believe it'd be a 2016 based off the ID. Fun fact, this ID number was done 4 buses after our 2016s because we have Q0 2655 through Q0 2659. You can see it's got the HD style mirrors, double nickel body mounted mirrors. It's got a Max 47, so it's a CE 200. There's the inspection sticker, CE emblem. It's a handy bus. There's the back. Got the LED lights on the stop sign, I don't think. No, incandescent up there. And then you got the IC logo, white roof, window tint. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And, yeah.